Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the 79-inch tripod by Neewer. Let's go. So today we're going to have a few odd angles because this is a huge box. I've not ever actually opened a box this big on an unboxing. Oh, there's a box within a box. Okay, let's put that there. Okay. This is a camera tripod, as it says there. The box is damaged. Here we go again. I'm a bit curious actually. How is this damaged within a box? Obviously, in the Amazon warehouse, people are kicking stuff around. Let me just open that there. This is a bit of a fiddly box. There we go. It's coming out. It's pretty heavy actually. A few bits and bobs in here actually. An Allen key and one of those clips. Don't know if you guys can see that. Right. Having to tear quite a bit, ain't I? So this tripod, the reason I got it is because it's got one feature which let me remove this and I'll speak in case you guys can't hear. So the reason I got this Neewer tripod is because there's a specific feature which I need when I'm filming my unboxings actually. So this tripod will allow the user to have an overhead use. Now let's open this up. I'll show you hopefully so you guys get a better idea. Very neatly packaged. Seems very high quality if I'll be honest, from how I'm holding it. I'll leave that there. I just want to check. Oh, interesting. It's got another zip within the zip. It's not too big of a space, but it's pretty good actually. What can you put in there? Nope, that's it. Okay. Let's take it out. Just move that a bit to the side. And to be fair, it's pretty heavy. I think I'd say it's around 6-7 kg. I've not actually checked the specifications because I just know that I needed it for one specific use, so I just pressed buy it now. Well, on Amazon, so buy now. Let me just put the knife away. We won't be needing that anymore, I hope. So this got a few features. What are the features? This can also be used as specifically a monopod, so you can actually remove it from here and you can use it as a monopod. This is called the Neewer N284L Plus Go. The main reason I got this is because of the fact you can take this part all the way out. Basically it twists and you go straight this way. Let me actually try and move some stuff around here. Let me unlock these. So you unlock it like that, put it down, put this one down, put this one down. Okay, that should be long enough. There we go. So this ball head is actually decent. It's one that you can actually remove as well if you needed to. So it's got a quick release part there. there's leveler there, and I believe there's, oh, there's not another leveler. Interesting. There's a spot here. I think there was meant to be a leveler. Don't know if you guys can see that. I think there was meant to be a leveler, but it's not there. Let's see. Anyways, let me try figure out how to actually change this part here. So there's a little button on the bottom. When you click it, it allows you to take it out. Now, after taking it out, you have to unwind this, and that's how you can move it. Then you put it back in through here. So you unwind that just so there's enough space for it to go through again. And then put it straight through. Now, the use case that I was saying was, I can literally, hold on. There's actually little sections here which says what degrees you can leave it on. Well, before I break it, tighten it, and then you can just leave it directly there, and then I can lock it in position. And after I've locked it in position, you won't be able to move it anymore. And that's how I'm basically going to be able to do better unboxing videos. This tripod has the mechanism of using it as a monopod, which is excellent. I'm never going to need to use it as a monopod, but it's nice to have that feature. There is actually a 72-inch version as well, if anybody was interested in that one. But obviously I went for the larger one because at the end of the day, that's something for me to use. I'm going to be using my DJI Osmo when I'm doing unboxings, and I'm going to be placing that on this. This can take up to 15 kg, so you can put a DSLR on it if you wanted. There's also the legs actually also expand, so you can put it on a ground mode as well. Don't really have space to show that. I just wanted to cover the whole tripod in this video and just show you the aesthetics of it. I hope I did cover all the aesthetics and also gave you a bit more information about it if you were interested in purchasing one of these. So I hope that was easy to understand, and yeah, hopefully there'll be better content and more clear content coming. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, pop a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Comment down below if you have anything you want to say to me, or if you want me to make any future videos on whatever you want. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you next time. Take care.